Today we're gonna make some homemade tortilla chips with some store-bought tortillas. These ones are made out of flour. I'm gonna just stack up the tortillas on top of each other to speed up the prepping process. Before I cut the tortillas, let's prepare the oil with some Kosmos dry rub, famous award-winning SPG. Stands for salt, pepper, and garlic. And I'm just gonna mix it up with a fork for a few seconds. That's all you need. So over here, we're gonna cut it once, twice, here, like that. In one shot, we get to make 3 pieces of tortilla chips. So now we're gonna transfer all of these tortillas onto a baking sheet. There you go. So let's spread them out nice and evenly, like this. Now we're gonna brush our tortillas with a little bit of oil that has that infused SPG dry rub in it. Now you flip them, because you gotta hit both sides. Now let's do the other sides. Now you're gonna place your tortillas in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 to 12 minutes. Oh yeah. Now all you gotta do is let them cool down a bit so you don't burn your fingers. And there you have it, some simple homemade tortilla chips. Let's have a bite. Absolutely delicious. Kosmos award-winning SPG elevates this to the next level. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe and check out these other great videos.